Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie. I am a certified massage therapist in California, and I usually make videos on massage therapy career, and pretty much the lifestyle of a massage therapist and how I'm trying to be healthier and live a more fulfilling life. And today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to use the Ekrin B37 massage gun right over here, and how you can use this massage gun to also not only work on yourself or your clients, but also to massage your loved ones at home, massage your spouse, your wife, your husband, whoever it is. Massage guns are very effective, and you don't have to be a professional massage therapist to massage your loved ones at home, because we all deal with pain in our bodies, from working out, from working on a computer all day, whatever it is, we all have pain in our bodies. So I think it's a really good treat to do to your loved ones. You're showing that you love them and you care for them when you're massaging them. So I think a massage gun could really help those that you love relieve their pain, or at least help them feel a lot more relaxed. You don't have to put too much pressure because it's already a deep tissue tool. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use a massage gun on your legs and forearms. For the forearms, I use the massage gun to help my husband because he has carpal tunnel. So you'll see a lot of forearm and hamstring massages using the massage gun. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So again, this is the percussion massager I will be using, and it's from Ekrin Athletics. So it comes with a user's manual, which tells you how to use the massage gun and gives you different instructions on each muscle of the body. In this video, I am going to be massaging the hamstrings and the quadriceps of my client, and it shows here that for the hamstrings and legs, you can massage 20 to 30 seconds 3 times with the massage gun. So feel free to massage along with me, especially if it's your first time using a percussion massager. Right now I am focusing on the hamstrings, but specifically the muscles biceps femoris, semitendinosus, and the musculi semimembranosus. You want to make your client aware that you are starting with the massage gun and that it will contact the body, because it can be very ticklish at first. As you can see, my client was jerking a little bit and moving around because in the beginning it does tickle, but then it starts to feel better. And also, it was her day of working out, so she was a bit tense and sore. Right now I am massaging the glute muscles because she was experiencing tightness in her waist and glutes. For the glute muscles, the user's manual says to massage for 30 to 60 seconds for each muscle, 4 times. And as you can see, for the hamstrings, it's important to massage the muscles from top to bottom. And this is because when we are massaging, we want to make sure that the blood is flowing to the heart. So far, it's been pretty easy to use this massage gun. I love the no-slip grip, and also how you can hold the massage gun from the top for more stability. Now we're going to massage the calves of my client. And do you see how the massage gun is really working into those muscles? You can see how it's vibrating and separating the muscles, and it's really doing a lot of work to loosen them up. And especially if you're an athlete or you work out a lot, this is why it's so important to have a massage gun if you are super athletic or you're getting onto your health journey. So in the calves, there are 2 main muscles, which is the gastrocnemius and soleus. So now we are going onto the foot, and this is the first time I actually used a massage gun for the foot. This tool can be really helpful for foot massage because it takes the tension off of your own hands. When you're massaging a foot with your hands, you're using a lot of your finger muscles, and you may use your thumb. And with a massage gun, it's super easy and it's so effective for the client. However, I would recommend using a different head attachment for the foot, and you can use this flat head attachment for the heels or for the ball of the foot. However, for the arches of the feet, I would recommend using the deep tissue tool so that it can really get in there and help to loosen up the plantar fascia, especially if you have plantar fasciitis. That could really help to loosen up that area and to just make your client feel a lot better. Again, the feet hold so much weight, you know, it's holding your whole body up. And when I massage my clients, I'm surprised that a lot of them have very tense muscles in their feet. All right, now I flipped my client over, and now we're going to work on the quadriceps. So some of the main muscles in the quadriceps are the vastus medialis, the rectus femoris, and the sartorius. I am using a circular motion, massaging the muscles from top to bottom. And then also I am massaging the tensa fascia lata, which is this muscle on the side of the legs near the hips. This area is super tight. I feel it all the time in my clients. And be careful because this is also a very sensitive part in your clients. Especially if you have tight hips, make sure to massage the IT band and also the hip muscles and the glutes. Alright, now we're going into the lower leg muscles. So right now I am massaging the tibialis anterior. And it's so important to massage this area as well because a lot of the muscles in these areas really affect your feet and your toes and how you're walking. And so if your feet are hurting, make sure to also massage your calves and your legs as well. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and massage the arms and really help with the carpal tunnel that my husband has. And if you don't know what carpal tunnel is, it is actually when the median nerve is compressed in your wrist. So aside from massaging his wrist, I also want to massage the different muscles in the forearms just to loosen those muscles up and add more space. The main muscles in the forearms is the extensor carpi radialis longus brevis and the flexor carpi ulnaris muscle. And again, you don't have to put too much pressure while using the massage gun because the vibrations do the work for you. After I massaged my 2 clients today, they said they felt so good and so relaxed, and a lot of their muscles actually felt a lot lighter and they had more energy to do more workouts and also just to live everyday life. So this is where the carpal tunnel is actually located, in the wrist, in the carpal bones. That's where the median nerve is compressed. And when you're massaging a specific area, don't only massage the area of pain, but also the specific muscles around it. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching that video of me using the B37 Ekrin massage gun. I love it so much, especially when you want to massage your loved ones and you want to make people that you love feel healthier and feel more rejuvenated in their everyday life. So thank you again for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. And I do have a promo code for the massage gun. It's Jackie20 for 20% off the massage gun. So again, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!